made me kind. Sweet destiny carried me through desperation to the one that was waiting for me. It took so long, still I believe, yeah, somehow the one that I needed would find me eventually. I had a vision of love, and it was all that you've given to me. I had a vision of love, and it was that you turn out to.
Thank you much.